So we're done connecting our RFID. So now we're going to do the extract the code of each RFID of these two RFID card. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to where our project folder is. Then I've created a file for our RFID card code. So if to not create a file, just right click, new file. You can name it RFID.py. It can be, this is a Python file. Okay, then you click enter. So that's how you create a file. So I'm gonna delete this one. So right click, we're gonna use Tony. Is a Raspberry Pi Python interpreter. So it's a Raspberry Pi Python integrated development environment. So we're going to right click, open using Tony. So in here I have the code. I'm going to explain the code to you. First of all, we import RPI.GPIO as GPIO. That means that we import RPI.GPIO to be able to be access each of those GPIO pins on our Raspberry Pi. Okay, then from the RFID module, which is the library for RFID module is the MFRC522. So from the MFRC522, we import simple MFRC522. So we also import time as time. So first of all, we're going to set the GPIO.set warning false. So whatever warning that we'll be getting from the GPIO, we'll set it as false. Then we're going to pass the object of the simple MFRC522 object to a reader. Okay, so now this is going to print the UID reader. First of all, if I run this, it's going to like tell me, okay, it's going to print on my serial monitor on the output that RFID UID reader. Then I'm going to now initiate the print statement, which is going to say hold RFID card near the RFID to get the UID. So try. Why true? Why printing or why waiting? That means print waiting for card. ID text equal to the ID inside the simple dot inside this object. The text is going to be equal to reader.read. That means that we're going to read the text, ID text from the card. So when you place the card, it's going to read the ID, the text, and the ID from the tag. Okay, so this is where we're going to like ask that we're going to assign each name to the card. This is write input. Input is deriving data from user. So write name to this card. You're going to write name in lowercase. Automatically, if you on your caps lock, automatically it's going to write this in lowercase. Okay, so if write is equal to y, input your name. So that means that it's going to ask you a question. Do you want to write name on this card? Yes or no? Then when you click on y, then you can now write your name. When you click on no, it will skip that. Okay, so after writing your name, each card will be assigned to a name. What we need most is the UID, this UID from the tag, RFID tag. Okay, so now let's run. First of all, when you open your Python file using Tony, you first of all go to run and configure interpreter. So when you come to this Python executable option, you click on this part, then you navigate to your project folder. Then you open the bin. Then you click on Python 3. This is the Python interpreter you want to use to run your code. Double click on it. So you will see that the Python executable, this is the link. This is the link that you're going to use. This is the interpreter Python 3 from your project folder, bin. This is the interpreter you're going to use to run your code. So click on this run current script. So it's going to say that hold RFID tag near the reader. So to get the UID, to get the UID of this, I need to place this near the RFID reader. So this is the RFID mode. I'm going to place this right here. Can you see? It has detected a card. So this card, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to give it Andrew. So let me give it Andrew. No, first of all, it asked me to write name to this card, yes or no? Yes. So I'm now going to give it Andrew. Enter. Oh, sorry, I've removed the card. Okay. Can you see it has detected the same card, but I've written my name to it. It's now showing Andrew. So I'm going to say no. This is the second card, which I'm going to check the UID. So I'm going to place it on it. Now, the new card, I'm going to now, it had already been, a name had been assigned to the card before. So I'm going to change the name. I'm going to change the name to John. Okay. So if I now place the card now, it's going to bring up, this is Andrew. Then this is John. Okay. So now, this is the UID. So copy the UID, save it somewhere, because this is what we're going to use in our main code. The UID for John, you can just open your notepad, paste it, assign it. This is for John. Then scroll up. I'm going to copy the UID for Andrew also. Copy. This is for no. Let me copy it again. Copy. Then no, what's going on? Okay, hold on. Going to copy it, then paste it. It's still pasting the same thing. I think I'll just have to write it out. 8268296237. So let me compare it. 8268296237. So this is for Andrew. So just keep it somewhere. So now the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to capture Andrew image and John image. So these are the two authorized people who want to give an authorization to be able to use this access control system. You can add up to 1,000 authorized. You can authorize up to like 1,000 personnel. So, but for this project, I'll be using 2. So this is for the RFID card code UID extraction code. So now let's move down to the capturing code.